So what do you need in your next gaming laptop? Hey guys, Thunder E here, and I've partnered with Intel in this video to give you 5 key things you need in your next gaming laptop. Now as gamers, we want everything in the kitchen sink in our gaming laptops, but I think these 5 key things are essential for what you're looking for, and something also you should think about when you're going to pick up your next laptop during Intel's Gamer Days at Micro Center, and I'll give you some more details later on in this video. So let's start off with the very first thing is a display. You want something with a high refresh rate, really like nice visible bright display. And within this laptop that I have right here, which is the Lenovo Legion 5, this has a 17.3-inch display, 144 Hz, which means high refresh rate, which means your games will look and run better. You can see things much faster. If you're playing FPSs like me, like Call of Duty Warzone, it should help also with your gameplay experience altogether. So that is really important. Now the second and probably one of the most important things is the processor, and right now the Intel 10th gen processor is probably one of the best series of processors to get in your laptop, and they have many configurations that will fit just your needs. Right here in the Legion 5, I do have the Intel 10th gen 10750H, which is a desktop class processor in your laptop. So something that is on your desk that's produce a lot of power, you can find it in your laptop here. 6 cores, 12 threads, supports hyper threading. It's also got some really nice thermal cooling. All that fun stuff in there to give you better performance. Supports, of course, the high refresh rate display that we have here on this device, and you should be able to see higher frame rates and also just better performance during your gameplay sessions. Now, the third thing is, of course, a dedicated GPU. Having a dedicated GPU to go with our processors to work hand in hand makes a whole lot of sense, and we have the GTX 1660 Ti here, and this is a great processor paired with this. We're looking at some really good performance overall, giving you high frame rates and also great performance with this display, which is at a 1080p. So you're getting everything you need in terms of performance with this altogether. Now the fourth most important thing is storage. Yes, I mentioned storage because a lot of games are massive, and as a gamer, you're not just playing one game. So for instance, Warzone takes up 240 gigabytes of storage space, and this laptop comes with a terabyte of storage, which means you can store that and also store many more games on there and have the ability to access your games as quick as possible. Plus, the Legion 5 here also has a plethora of ports, multiple USB Type A ports, a USB Type C port, Ethernet ports so you can get faster connectivity to play your games, HDMI out if you want to use an external monitor, all those things in there to give you the best performance you're looking for. And finally, the fifth and most important point I think a lot of people tend to miss is finding the right laptop to fit your budget. And that is something you will find with a lot of Intel laptops because they have multiple configurations that you can pick from, whether it's the Legion 5 or others. And you can definitely check out all those different laptops and configurations during Intel's Gamer Days between August 28th and September 6th. Head over to your local Micro Center to check out some of the best deals they have on the latest gaming laptops from Intel. So there you go, guys. Those are 5 key things I think are really important to help you decide your next gaming laptop. If you have any comments or any questions, let me know. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and always enjoy your entertainment.